Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams with AI. First, identify your core study materials like textbooks and notes. Then, input these into an AI study tool. The AI will analyze the content and your learning patterns to create a personalized study schedule. This approach ensures you focus on areas needing the most attention, making your study time highly efficient and effective. AI excels at creating study plans just for you. It starts by assessing what you already know and where you might struggle. Based on this, it builds a dynamic schedule that adjusts as you learn. This means you're always working on the most impactful material, avoiding wasted effort on topics you've already mastered. It's like having a personal tutor available 24 hours a day. One of the biggest advantages of AI is its ability to generate endless practice questions. You can test yourself on any topic, receiving immediate, detailed feedback on your responses. This isn't just about right or wrong. It's about understanding why an answer is correct or incorrect. Plus, you can simulate exam conditions with timed tests, building confidence and reducing test anxiety. Finally, AI is fantastic for efficient review. It can take large amounts of information, like an entire chapter, and condense it into a concise summary of key points. This is incredibly helpful for quick refreshers before an exam. You can also generate flashcards automatically and even get reminders for spaced repetition, ensuring that important information sticks in your long-term memory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.